Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Naturally, the place where English feels easy, natural, fun, and today, very personal. I'm your host, Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hello to all our amazing listeners from every corner of the world. It's so good to be here with you today.
Hi, Ethan. You look extra cheerful today. That big smile tells me you're ready for something fun.
I am. I'm really excited because today's topic is one that everyone needs to practice.
Yes, before we dive in, a quick reminder to our friends, if you're enjoying these episodes, please hit that like button. It helps us so much.
And subscribe to Learn English Naturally so you get a new fun conversation every week.
Share this episode with a friend, a classmate, or a family member who's learning English too. Learning together makes it twice as fun.
Okay, Emma, are you ready? Because today we're tackling a super common question. Tell me about yourself.
Ah, yes, this question comes up everywhere.
Job interviews, first day at a new language class, meeting someone at a party, online chats, even when you travel and people ask, "Where are you from?"
Sometimes it feels a little scary. Your mind goes blank. What do I say? How long should I talk? What is interesting about me?
Exactly. But today we're going to make it super easy, super natural, and honestly fun.
We're going to answer it ourselves, step by step, and give you lots of examples and tips so you feel confident next time someone asks.
Perfect. Who starts? Ladies first?
Okay, I'll go first, but let's do it slowly so everyone can follow.
Good idea. Start with the basics.
All right. Hi, everyone. My name is Emma. That's EMMA. Simple, right? Easy to spell and easy to say.
Nice to meet you, Emma. My name is Ethan. Ethan.
Nice to meet you too, Ethan. Okay, next basic question. Where are you from?
I'm from the United Kingdom. Specifically, I grew up near London, but now I live in a smaller town because I like the peace and quiet.
London. I've always wanted to visit. I'm from Australia, born and raised in Sydney. I love the beaches, the sunshine, and yes, the occasional kangaroo sighting.
Kangaroos, that's so cool. Do you live in a big city now?
Yes, still in a big, busy city. I love the energy. Cafes everywhere, people walking fast, music in the streets.
I live in a medium-sized city now. Not too noisy, but still lots to do. Perfect balance.
Great. Next question. Age. We can share if we want, right? It's optional.
Of course, I'm 30 years old.
And I'm 27. Young enough to dream big, old enough to know better, sometimes.
Now the big one. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I create logos, posters, websites, anything visual and creative. I love making things look beautiful.
That's awesome. I'm a travel blogger. I visit places, take photos, write stories, and share tips so other people can travel smarter and cheaper.
A designer and a travel blogger. We should collaborate. You travel, I design the blog.
Deal. Okay, family. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one younger sister, Lily. She's 23, super funny, always making jokes. She studies psychology and loves analyzing why people do things.
Lily sounds like fun. I have an older brother, James. He's 34. He works in tech, and he's the one who drags me on hiking trips, even when I complain.
Brothers. Now, parents?
My mom is a nurse. She takes care of people every day. My dad is a carpenter. He builds beautiful furniture by hand.
That's wonderful. My mom is a primary school teacher. She teaches little kids. My dad owns a small cafe, so I grew up around coffee and cake. Best childhood ever.
I'm jealous of the cake. Okay, pets. Everyone loves this part.
I have a golden retriever named Sunny. He's golden, fluffy, and thinks every person is his best friend. He greets me like I was gone for years, even if I just went to the shop.
Sunny sounds adorable. I have a cat, Shadow. She's all black, very mysterious, sleeps 20 hours a day, and only comes out when she wants food or attention.
Classic cat. Dog person and cat person. We're the perfect duo.
We are. Now let's get to the fun favorites.
Yes, favorite food first.
Mine is fish and chips, proper British style, with vinegar and mushy peas. Can't beat it.
That sounds yummy. Mine is avocado toast with poached egg and chili flakes. Healthy, creamy, a little spicy, perfect breakfast.
Favorite color?
Coral, like a beautiful sunset, warm, bright, happy.
Mine is navy blue. Calm, classic, looks good on everything.
Favorite animal, besides our pets.
I love elephants. They're so intelligent, gentle, and they never forget.
Aw, I love dolphins. Smart, playful, always smiling.
Hobbies, what do you do for fun?
Surfing. Nothing beats being on the ocean, riding a wave. Also, I love reading fantasy books, escaping to other worlds.
Surfing queen. Me, hiking in the mountains. Fresh air, views, good workout. Also, I play guitar sometimes. Badly, but it makes me happy.
I want to hear you play one day. Okay, now the opposite. Things we don't like.
I really don't like crowded shopping malls on weekends. Too many people, too loud.
Same. And I hate being late. It stresses me out so much.
What about weather? I don't like very cold winters.
I don't like extreme heat when it's too hot to think. See how these likes and dislikes show personality? You can use them in your answer.
Great tip. Now let's give some real-life examples for different situations.
Yes. First, job interview style, short and professional.
Hi, my name is Ethan. I'm 30 years old, from the United Kingdom. I'm a travel blogger with 5 years of experience. I love exploring new cultures and sharing stories. I'm excited about this opportunity because...
Perfect. Now, casual meeting someone new. Hey, I'm Emma from Australia. I work as a graphic designer, love surfing, and my dog Sunny. What about you?
Short, friendly, invites them to talk.
One more, language class on the first day.
Hello, my name is Ethan. I'm from the UK. I speak English as my first language, but I'm learning Spanish too. My hobby is hiking and travel.
Great! Now, pronunciation tip. When you say your name, say it slowly and clearly the first time.
Yes, many people rush their name. Say, my name is Ethan. Pause. Let them repeat if they want.
And for countries, Australia, not too fast.
Practice in the mirror. It helps.
Another tip, don't memorize a long speech. Have 4 to 5 key points ready. Name, where you're from, what you do, one hobby, one like or dislike.
That way, it's natural, not robotic.
Exactly. And always end with a question. What about you? It keeps the conversation going.
Brilliant. This question is not a test. It's the start of a friendship or a good chat.
I feel like we know each other even better after this.
Me too, and I hope our listeners feel ready to answer confidently.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, tell us about yourself.
Write 2 to 4 sentences. For example, my name is Ethan. I'm from United Kingdom. I love beaches.
Or share your pets, your dream job, anything. We read every single comment and love getting to know you.
If you want, record a short voice message in English and share a link. We might feature some next time.
That would be amazing. Practice speaking.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
Keep practicing Tell Me About Yourself until it feels easy and fun.
You're doing great. We believe in you.
We'll be back next week with another natural English conversation.
Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you soon.